Ho, ho, ho. The PLM. I have a lambda meter in my car, but it's nice to have one that's not constantly being pounded on every day. Easy. I mean, really should be on a bung. Damn. My only question, I don't see a lambda option. I guess that would be none? Like no multiplier? Right? Somebody smarter than me help me with that. There's no hanging hooks here. Oh, pre-drilling. Pre-drill. Fire break. God. It's one-handed. Awkward. Fucking bullshit. Maybe. Or just in here, dumbass. There. Gotta have something holding those up. Ah, my wall of shame. Harbor Freight. Gluing very large things. Is there glue in there? Fuck if I know. I don't know if I should move my vise onto the toolbox. That just kind of seems like a bad idea. Fuck. Oh, hello. Of course, the guy with the rotary has a fucking Turbo Graphics with CD and a Turbo Duo. Fucking, we're weird. What are you guys watching? Mermaids! Can't have that here. You are the source of my problems and trouble. Fuck you. There we go. Oh, right. Wiring. So there's a 120 amp main fuse, and I'm just trying to pair shit or strip shit off. Is the body tail, whatever, body tail, body fucking one. I think I have most of this in the PDM. B1 will have to run a large fuse, so I think I can cross that one off. Defrost will need to run the fuse, that won't go in the PDM. Fans, that's going in the PDM. And then we're getting rid of that fuse and we'll just use separate ones for that. I think, I don't know, I just want to kill myself looking at this right now. But, you know, why kill yourself when you can let your body slowly do it for you or accelerate the process? Eeny, meeny, miny. Motherfucker. Come here. Come here, you. Gotcha. Gotcha. Well, sayonara. This is broken into my car. Why did I buy the cheap beer?